This video will show you, not teach you, but show you one way to take this awful looking closure that comes with the Beauty Elements coconut jelly package and make it look more realistic like this. Stay glued. Hi Flawless Beauties! Astra here from the beautiful Isle of Barbados. If you're like me and really want to get rid of this awful looking closure and you have some time on your hands, I'll show you how. So this is how the package comes. The hair is actually very soft. It is up to 350 curl and iron safe, is 315 grams density, and it comes with a 4x4 T-lace closure, which you guys know, if you've watched my 10 things about me video, you guys already know how the front of this looks, and this is what the ends of the hair looks like. The luster is quite nice, it's not too shiny. At the back of the package, it comes with care instructions teaching you and showing you how to care for the hair. This is what the wefts look like. Not too bad. To me, it is not as good as the sensational yaki feather make, but it is much fuller, which is really what we are going after. Fuller, lusher looking hair. So let's go from having a hairline that will be looking like this to one that looks like this. So I used the Make Your Own Wig U-Part wig cap, and it comes with very soft lace. To me, the lace is not like a mesh. Its style is a mesh, but it's not hard or anything like that. And it also has adjustable straps on it. So first thing, what I did was outline my own hairline with a white pencil. Then I pulled the wig cap down and just like that, and then I traced over on that wig cap the same very white line, and then I ventilated up to that hairline. So the first thing I did was separate all the wefts from that closure, that portion of the closure I should say, and this is what it looks like after I separated all of it. Yeah, I kind of was a little rough there, but yeah, this is what I have. I'm showing you here how I trimmed off that threaded portion of the weft, and I used that hair itself to ventilate. If I show you guys how I ventilate, it's going to be very complicated, so check the description box for the best video that I could find on YouTube to show you how to ventilate. After ventilating the lace portion of the wig cap, I made the wig using the flipover method and the hot glue gun method as well, and I will also leave the links to the best videos I found here on YouTube on these two methods. Alright, I got you! You guys know I like to keep it 100 with y'all. Don't make the same mistake that I did by putting the plastic cap on and then doing the hot glue method. Brains, where were you? The plastic cap stuck, alright, onto the wig. But anyways, I'm showing you here the hair that I used to ventilate versus the hair that was not used, and it is a little fuzzy, but I found that after I wet it with water, it came right back. And this is what you will have, a more realistic looking lace front. If any simple methods come to mind, I will definitely share them with you, okay? Now in my next hair video, I will share with you how this $40 hair held up after 3 weeks. I'll see you then. From Barbados to you with all of my love. Bye guys. Don't forget to hit that circle button to subscribe to my channel, and here are 2 more of my videos. See you soon.